The case is so cute. This one is so pretty. Body wash for 50 cents. Soap for 50 cents. $1.50 Suave lotion. What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, I'm here in the Dollar Tree combo store. Dollar Tree and Family Dollar combined, and I wanted to share some new items with you guys, specifically the Easter items. But if you guys would like me to come back in and share some of these home items or clothing items, just let me know down below in the comments. I just wanted to share some Easter items with you though. We have a lot of $1 items, not $1.25, just actually $1. $1 items, super cute Easter items. We also have R.M. Palmer items for $3.75, the hollow bunnies, the hollow birthday cake, magical unicorns. I'm not really sure on the price of those. Sound like I said unicorns, corms. We have more $1 candy up there. The cute $1 bunnies. Lots of $1 candy. Assorted cookies for $2. You guys definitely go ahead and click right here if you want to see my last Family Dollar video. I shared tons of new items for spring and summer. They have a lot of cute new decor. Now these ones are solid. Solid rabbits for $1. We even have a s'mores bunny. Easter egg tubes. Now the peeps here are $1.50. So a little more than Dollar Tree. The light up chicks. The super cute bunny dough cases. It's not candy, it's actually like Play-Doh, or maybe it's like the air clay. 1 Peeps bunny case, 3 dough cutters, and 3 dough packs. The case is so cute. Stretcheroos are $3. If you like to fidget, or if you want to buy it for someone that likes to fidget, we also have the Aero Plays for $1. Cute plushies. Those are $10. Poppets for $3. They also have some that are slightly smaller for $2. Aww, look at this little one for $5. We have even more dollar candy. Ooh, the marshmallow eggs. My kids love these. I just paid $1.29 for these at Walgreens. And my kids love these. These are the ones that they actually love the most. Actually, I think I'm gonna get a different one because that one has the egg sticking out. It might be a little stale. There we go. That's what short people do. That one's sealed a little bit better. Let me put this one back. Cute little baskets. $5 for the bunny. Oh, look at the bunny. So cute. So cute. And we have sharks. DIY photo frames, $1 cups, $3 painting sets. These are really cute. The $5 light set. We also have little serving trays that you can paint. These are $5 each. We also have a different shape. $5. They're just calling them decor. So these ones are decor over here, but these ones are little serving trays. And I think this one is so pretty. This is $3 and it actually lights up. Easter wishes. I don't want to pull the tab though. I don't want to ruin it for someone else. Once you pull the tab, the battery starts draining. But those are really cute. We also have some $1 buckets. Whoa, these are really big. The big eggs for $5. Look at this one, $5. Also Easter blessings. I love the pink. The bunnies, the wreaths. This wreath is $10. Daffodils. This one's $10. These are just $1. The same ones are at Dollar Tree, but $1.25. Here they're just $1. Just $1. $3 for 55 Easter eggs. And we have 18 count bags up top for $1. What's this? Aw, E-A, bunny. T-E-R. Wishes. This is how much? I want to say 3. It is. So cute. So cute. We also have that one where the bunny is the T. And, oh, I love the blue one, but I think his tail fell off. The blue one. And we have another white one. That is so cute. We also have Bunny Stop Here, $3. That's really cute. And then we have the tall bunnies for $5. Oh, these are really cute. And they stand up on their own with a little lean. My store has a lot of clearance as well. Clearance cleaning supplies, clearance Fabuloso. We have clearance bug spray and ant traps. Down this aisle, oh, over here we have 50-cent pumpkin spice spray, $1.50 clearance Febreze. That's a nice price. We also have clearance hand sanitizer. We have 50-cent Nouvelle lotions. Clearance vitamins. $1.50 Suave lotion. That's a pretty great price. Definitely check the Family Dollar app, or if you are a paper couponer, check for a coupon. You could probably get that for like 50 cents if you need lotion. And then definitely run into your store to check out their other potential clearance items, because they have clearance clothes this week, as well as lots of clearance shampoo, body wash for 50 cents, soap for 50 cents, all sorts of items, you guys. Some items are $1, some are, you know, $1.50, 50 cents. Some 75-cent items. The body washes are a really great deal for 50 cents if you like Arm & Hammer. But yeah, you guys, it was so much fun bringing you guys along. I haven't been to this location in some weeks, so it was really fun for me to come in and see all of the new items. I really do love this location, and I love that a lot of their items are still just $1 and not $1.25. Thank you guys so much for shopping with me. If you had fun and you're new to the channel, all you have to do is join the family and hit that little button and subscribe. But all right, you guys, that's it for me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.